Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Kitchen Fun. Today I came up with a very delicious and very soft spongy cupcakes to make you to rock this Christmas and upcoming New Year. So I'm sure you're going to rock. So stay tuned and watch till the end. So let's begin. Take a pan and have kept 2 eggs with sweetened condensed milk and 1 spoon of baking powder. So I have added 2 eggs and also half tin of condensed milk. Half tin in the sense 1 cup of condensed milk for 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So exactly 1:2 ratio. So whip it very well. I am using a coffee whisk here. So you may think it's silly, but it really works for me. So to try this once, melting the butter, have taken 40 grams of butter over here and mix it thoroughly. Beat it not less than 15 minutes. You can use hand whisk also or electric beater also. So those were my little cute hands helping me in the kitchen. And after that I've kept a big pot, heavy bottom pot with some salt and stand and preheating it in a medium flame. So shift some 2 cups of flour with 1 spoon of baking powder with 3/4 spoon of vanilla powder. So you can go with vanilla syrup also. Gently fold to combine all together. So preferably you can use the wooden spatula. Mix gently and form a smooth batter. This is how your batter will look like. And now here I have kept the cups ready and some cashews and raisins. You can go with any nuts that's available in your home. I've kept some butter for rubbing on the sides of the cup. So pour the batter gently and slowly, only till half of the cup or 3/4 of the cup, not more than that.